You slept 8 full hours last night, maybe even 9, and yet, right now, you feel like you haven't slept at all. Your body is tired. Your brain is foggy. You don't want to move. You don't want to think. And you're asking yourself, why? If I slept enough, why do I still feel this lazy? Most people believe that tiredness equals not enough sleep, so they sleep more. 8 hours, 9 hours, sometimes 10. But they still wake up feeling heavy, slow, and unmotivated. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Sleep duration is not the problem. Sleep quality is. You can lie in bed for 10 hours and still get only 2 hours of real, deep, restorative sleep. Your brain doesn't care how long you were in bed. It only cares about what happened while you were in bed. Every night, your body goes through sleep cycles. Each cycle is about 90 minutes, and inside each cycle, there are 3 stages. Stage 1 and 2, light sleep. Your brain is still half aware. Stage 3, deep sleep. This is where the magic happens. And then, REM sleep, where your brain processes emotions and memories. Now here's the problem. Most people today barely reach stage 3. Why? Because they do things before bed that completely destroy their deep sleep, and they don't even know it. Here are the 3 main reasons your body feels lazy even after 8 hours of sleep. Reason number 1, cortisol is too high at night. Cortisol is your stress hormone. It should be low at night and high in the morning. But when you scroll your phone before bed, when you watch stressful news, when you argue, overthink, or stay anxious at night, your cortisol spikes. And high cortisol at night equals your body never fully relaxes. You sleep, but your nervous system stays on. The result? You wake up exhausted. Reason number 2, your sleep timing is broken. Your body runs on something called the circadian rhythm. It's your internal 24-hour clock. This clock tells your body when to release melatonin, the sleep hormone. Naturally, melatonin rises around 9 to 10 p.m. But if you sleep at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., or later, you miss this melatonin window completely. You fall asleep, but it's low-quality, shallow sleep. 8 hours of bad time sleep feels worse than 6 hours of well-timed sleep. Reason number 3, dopamine crash the night before. Remember dopamine, your brain's reward chemical? When you spend your evening getting constant dopamine hits from YouTube, Instagram, gaming, junk food, your brain gets overstimulated. Then, when you finally go to sleep, your dopamine crashes hard. This crash makes your brain feel heavy, foggy, and unmotivated in the morning. That lazy, I don't want to do anything feeling, that's a dopamine hangover. So how do you actually fix this? Here's what worked for me, and it took only 3 days to feel a difference. Fix number 1, no phone 45 minutes before bed. I know, you've heard this before, but here's why it actually matters. Blue light from your screen blocks melatonin production. Your brain literally thinks it's daytime. Just 45 minutes without a screen before sleep, and your melatonin naturally rises. You fall into deeper sleep faster. Fix number 2, sleep before midnight. Your body does most of its physical repair between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. This is when growth hormone is released. This is when your brain cleans out toxins. If you're awake during this window, you're missing the most powerful part of sleep. Try sleeping just 30 minutes earlier each day. Small shift, huge difference. Fix number 3, lower your evening dopamine. In the last 2 hours before bed, replace high stimulation activities with low stimulation ones. Instead of YouTube, read. Instead of gaming, walk. Instead of junk food, drink water or herbal tea. Your brain will calm down, your dopamine will stabilize, and you'll wake up feeling actually rested. The problem was never how long you slept. It was how you slept. Fix your cortisol, fix your timing, fix your dopamine, and that lazy, foggy morning feeling, it disappears. If this helped you, subscribe, because every week I break down exactly why your brain does what it does and how to fix it. See you in the next one.